After PLTR tried to test key resistance levels and all-time highs up here, it rejected and it was an outflow driven day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers, welcome back. So in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:35 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment to get connected to our 42 vision indicators, our bots, and our inflow versus outflow indicator to maximize within the volatility whether stocks are going up or going down. We look forward to getting you connected. So PLTR here is pushing downwards and it's broken through the support on Friday and it's testing the support levels that were holding up the chart on Thursday, which is down here at 151 to 150.70, and then right below that is the 150.70, 150.60 support area of inflows, and that is something to not ignore. We definitely want to hold this up. If that gets broken through, then we have support levels down here to not ignore below it, which we're going to break down. And before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment, and we look forward to getting connected and having you join us. So the home run today was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 9 a.m. and from that moment forward, it did not get canceled till 2:10 p.m. Outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Here we are with PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc., doing a full transition from white red borders to bright green bars and back down to multiple white red borders, as I call the dip area. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we have PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc., driven by outflows coming to test the support level here. And we rejected near that outflow level here, the bottom of it at 152.97, and it's pushing down. And the next level to retest and retrace towards, if the weakness continues, is the support down here. Now, if that gets broken through, then we see down here 149 and also 149.12 to go ahead and be the next levels. If that gets broken through, then we have levels down here near 147. It's going to be crucial for the bulls to reappear and bring this back up. But if we go ahead and zoom out and look at this from the 30-minute, full transition from bright green bars to the dip area. And this is the first time we see a dip area since way back here on July 11th at around the 140 area. So once those areas get hit, they tend to be an area to watch if support is found, and we're looking for transitions back up and retests of the resistance level and outflow level up here of 153.40, and then all the way up towards 155.43, which is near the highs up here that we've seen of 155.65. So we have multiple confirmations on larger time frames of transitions happening. It hasn't hit white red borders here on the 1 hour, but we are seeing weakness on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and 5-minute. And there's some clear levels down here to not ignore that the bulls need to reappear to even try to retest and bounce back up. But usually, again, once we hit these levels, you could see there's strong reversals. They're not always strong enough because you need multiple confirmations, but that's what we look for here with these dip areas and bull and bear indicators, which I'm going to pull up here, and we're going to see why the strength is still here and how we've reached up to these all-time highs. So when we look at it from the 15-minute, we had a bull indicator that rejected the previous one from up here at 154.97. It tested it and it lost traction, followed by outflows appearing today and a bear indicator at 154.28 on the 15-minute that has not been canceled. That needs to be canceled to even try to come back up. The 30-minute is now under a bear indicator as well at 154.13, and then the 1 hour has been under a bear indicator since Friday. And we broke this down in our previous video that once that bear indicator popped up and canceled the bull indicator from here at 141.69, it was something to not ignore, and any pushback up would be rejected, and it was something not justifiable because the bear indicator is still in effect. And that's what happened here. We went from 153.50 all the way up to 155.42. No bull indicator. The bear indicator continues to dominate, and we're down here at 151.73. Now, the 2 hour hasn't confirmed yet a bear indicator. This bull indicator, followed by these inflows and breakout of this outflow level at the 144 area, has continued to hold since down here at 133.82. And then we've also seen here on the 4 hour a strong bull indicator since down here at 138.50. And we broke out that outflow level above 148, and we're up here at new all-time highs. Now, a lot of people have speculated, well, the fundamentals, right, and the price of the shares are so extremely high and frothy. I completely get it, but right now the technicals and the strength in these charts is showing that inflows are dominating. Now, we are having a slight pullback. As long as this bull indicator on the 4 hour and 2 hour do not get canceled, and we can cancel out the 1 hour and every single time frame below that in the volatility to turn back to bull indicators and find a support, even if this is going to be a healthy pullback, if we want to call it that, down towards 148 before the next bull run, we need to see those multiple bull indicators, and they're going to be crucial. So 147, 148 is something to not ignore. Below that, there's lower levels to not ignore here as 142, 50, 145. And to the upside, we want to break through that 152 to 153 area. Find support there, which is the mid area of the day and where outflows started to accelerate. And then above that is the all-time highs, breaking out towards 156 and trying to test with strength and multiple bull indicators towards 160, guys. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside here with PLTR. And those of you coming across the channel for the first time, again, this is 42 vision, which gives you that edge within the volatility and gives you that clarity to go ahead and see the strength of trend and where the strength of supports and resistance are, and why are we heading where we're heading, right? You can clearly see that here in the volatility on the 5-minute. Once that bear indicator popped up, it was sitting up here at 153.83, and the first target area I would watch is down towards 152.78, the lows of the support of those inflows. Okay, it broke through it. It was ranging, and an outflow level came out again, and as it was trying to come back up, no bull indicator popped up, canceling this out. So this bear indicator is still in effect, and these outflows are strong. And then what happened? Another outflow level appeared down here, no bull indicator, and it continued pushing down lower. The link is down below in the description and top pinned comment to join the community of members using it, and you can equip yourself, and I'll teach you all there is to learn about 42 vision with our educational videos and step-by-step guides. And you're going to be able to be equipped to navigate markets with that edge and that confidence within the volatility. We look forward to getting you connected. And PLTR here is trying to hold here 151.30 in the after hours. If a bull indicator was to pop up from the 3-minute to the 5-minute, the first levels I'll be watching is the outflows here of 152.65 on the 3-minute, and then up here at 152.97. I would just round that up to 153. That key range there, as I stated earlier in the video, where things kind of slowed down and pushed down lower, that's going to be an area to watch, and then up towards 154 to 155, guys. I'm going to be watching that here in the after hours and going into tomorrow.